As you saw in the intro, today we're making a world classic, Eggs Benedict. The preparation method isn't that difficult, it requires a bit of effort and a little more attention. But let's see how those famous, world-renowned Eggs Benedict are made. We're melting butter in a small saucepan, because we want to clarify it now, to remove the impurities, and then we'll use the melted butter to make the hollandaise sauce. Now let the butter heat so the excess impurities rise to the surface and we get clarified butter. You see the excess foam, that's the butter's impurities, which we skim off. The butter is almost ready now. At first the impurities gathered on the surface, and now that it's fully heated, the excess impurities have settled to the very bottom, and we will gently strain to obtain completely clarified butter. This type of butter is used to prepare hollandaise sauce. We remove this excess foam, the butter that has clarified. We pour it into a clean container. I'll make sure the remaining impurities stay at the very bottom. You can use a strainer and strain through it if that's easier for you. Here you can see how much of that residue is left at the bottom. Now, we use this kind of butter to make hollandaise sauce. Over gently simmering water, we place our bowl with the egg yolks. We add a little lemon juice and gradually add the butter. Another name for hollandaise sauce is warm mayonnaise, because it is prepared similarly to mayonnaise, except we use warm butter instead of oil. Our hollandaise sauce is ready, we'll just season it a bit more and use it right away. We add a little salt and, if possible, white pepper. I don't have white pepper, so I'll add a pinch of black pepper. The sauce is prepared for serving. Into the water that's gently simmering like this, we add a little vinegar, that will help the egg cook better. That will help the egg whites set together more neatly. The water mustn't boil hard, it should just simmer like you see, so those small bubbles come up gently. If it boils hard, the egg can fall apart. Now we'll gently swirl the water like this and add the egg. We swirl the water so the egg white wouldn't spread all over the pan, instead, so it will wrap and curl up like you can see. The egg cooks for a few minutes, we mustn't touch it now or it could break. It cooks for a few minutes and we want the yolk to remain slightly soft like this. Our poached egg is ready, now dip it in warm water to rinse it a little. We do this to remove the vinegar's acidic taste. And now that we've rinsed it, place it on a paper towel to drain until use. Toast the bun lightly, gently toasting one side and then the other. Done. In a hot pan, fry a nice slice of ham. Our ham is fried, and we immediately place it on the bun. Place the warm poached egg on the ham, and tossed with hollandaise sauce. An exceptionally rich and creamy hollandaise sauce. And our Eggs Benedict are ready to eat. Enjoy!